Do you know that there is an exercise that surpasses all other exercises? This is the greatest exercise that helps in the recovery of man from daily lifestyle diseases. High-intensity interval training, or simply HIIT, is one of the most beautiful and powerful ways to train the human body. It combines short bursts of intense effort with periods of rest or low-intensity recovery. But behind its simplicity lies a deep science that explains why it works so well and why it is such an important practice for modern health. In this video, we'll explore the 6 layers of beauty in HIIT, revealing the profound reasons why this workout style is not just a fitness trend, but a key to better health, more energy, and a deeper understanding of our bodies. Number 1. The cellular beauty of HIIT. During the intense phase, your muscles are pushed into a state of oxygen shortage. In this moment, glucose is broken down rapidly, producing pyruvic acid. Because oxygen is limited, most of this pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid, and this is why you feel the familiar burn. This process only gives you 2 molecules of ATP per glucose, a quick but limited burst of energy. But then comes the beauty, the rest interval. As you slow down, oxygen delivery catches up. The pyruvic acid that once threatened to build up as lactic acid is now shuttled into the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. Here, it is transformed into acetyl-CoA, enters the Krebs cycle, and flows into the electron transport chain, where it produces up to 34 molecules of ATP per glucose. This means the body uses the rest phase to repay the oxygen debt and unlock far more energy from the same fuel. In simple terms, the hard work primes the body, and the rest transforms that effort into deep-lasting energy. Number 2. HIIT, glycogen, and diabetes. The body does not only rely on glucose from food. It stores sugar in the form of glycogen in the liver and muscles. During HIIT, these glycogen stores are rapidly emptied to meet the explosive energy demand. For someone living with diabetes or insulin resistance, this is especially powerful. As glycogen stores are depleted, the muscles become eager to refill. They begin to absorb sugar from the blood more effectively, improving insulin sensitivity. This means HIIT directly helps the body regulate blood sugar by pulling excess glucose out of circulation and storing it where it belongs. Over time, this reduces the dangerous spikes that harm diabetics and helps restore metabolic balance. Number 3. HIIT and the burning of stored fat, the wheat belly problem. High-intensity interval training is not just about burning sugar. It is a master at burning fat stored in fat cells. During the intense bursts, hormones like adrenaline and growth hormone trigger fat cells to release their stored energy. Triglycerides break apart into free fatty acids and glycerol, which are carried into muscles and burned for energy. This is especially important for tackling visceral fat, the deep abdominal fat often called the wheat belly. Unlike surface fat, visceral fat surrounds the organs and is strongly linked to diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Studies show that HIIT burns this dangerous fat more effectively than steady jogging. Over time, it reduces waistlines, shrinks the wheat belly, protects the heart. Number 4. The heart, lungs, and hormones in HIIT. HIIT also transforms the cardiovascular system. When you sprint, your heart rate soars close to its maximum. When you rest, it drops back. This repeated stretching and recovery trains your heart to pump more efficiently and your lungs to process oxygen more effectively. The result is a stronger cardiovascular engine and a higher VO2 max, meaning greater endurance and resilience. At the same time, HIIT reshapes your hormones. Growth hormone and adrenaline free up fat for energy. Insulin sensitivity improves, helping prevent or manage diabetes. Cortisol rises briefly, but in a healthy way, training the body to burn fuel more effectively. Number 5. The mind and discipline of HIIT. HIIT trains not just muscles, but also the mind. Every interval is a test of character. Push through the burn, then recover, then rise again. It teaches resilience, focus, and the discipline to embrace short-term discomfort for long-term growth. Unlike long, monotonous workouts, HIIT keeps the brain engaged and motivated because every round feels purposeful and achievable. Number 6, the beauty of lifestyle around exercise. The beauty of HIIT does not stand alone. It connects to other natural laws of health that multiply its benefits. Water. HIIT increases sweat and metabolism. And pure water is essential for fat breakdown. Without enough water, fat cannot be metabolized into usable energy. Sunlight. Vitamin D from sunlight strengthens muscles, boosts mood, and supports weight regulation, making HIIT more effective. Rest. The gains of HIIT are built in recovery. Deep sleep restores glycogen, repairs muscles, and balances appetite hormones like leptin and ghrelin. Temperance. True health is balance. HIIT must be done in moderation, alongside a disciplined lifestyle that avoids excess in food, drink, and habits. Temperance ensures that the power of HIIT does not become destructive, but constructive. The beauty of HIIT lies in its paradox. In the fiery sprint, you burn. In the gentle rest, you build. Together, these cycles unlock the deepest energy systems, empty glycogen stores to balance blood sugar, burn away the dangerous wheat belly fat, strengthen the heart, sharpen the mind, and transform the whole body. And when joined with water, sunlight, rest, and temperance, HIIT becomes more than a workout. It becomes a lifestyle, one that restores health, prevents disease, and uplifts the entire being. HIIT teaches us that true strength is not in endless effort, but in the balance of intensity and recovery, stress and rest, action and temperance. In that balance lies transformation of the body, the mind, and the spirit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more insightful health and wellness content. Stay healthy and motivated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.